Okay, here we are again, another video. I haven't done one in a while. We're going to do an unwrapping. Can't say it's an unboxing because it's not in a box, but an unwrapping, an opening of a hoodie. And I ordered two of these, two different ones. I ordered a Bret Hart hoodie and a CM Punk hoodie. So in here is either the CM Punk hoodie or the Bret Hart hoodie. So let's, without any further ado, let's open this up here. Have a look, see which one it is. Oh yes, CM Punk. Wow. Very nice. Very soft here. I think they said this was, the color was heather black or something, heather gray, but let's have a look at this here. CM Punk on the front, the skull, CMP says here, if hell is to Rome, then I've got hell to pave. Hell is to Rome, I've got hell to pave. So here we go. Really nice. We've got the, on the sleeve here, we've got some stars. And then the other sleeve as well, stars as well. Here's the string. Where's the tag here? I'll show you the tag. There we go. This is Roots of Fight. Really become popular in the last few years. A lot of wrestlers, a lot of other athletes have official Roots of Fight merchandise. Now, see the size here? XL. So it's, of course, printed in the US, made in China, 50% polyester, 38% cotton, 12% rayon. So, yeah, looks pretty good. What do you think? There you go. And we'll put this on here. Before I do that, I'll take this off. And then, yes, CM Punk. Nice and soft, for sure. And there we go. CM Punk. Yes, there we are. The best in the world, CM Punk. Yeah, fits really well. My normal size is XL, as I've said, and in previous videos, and I got an XL, so yeah, there's a little logo there too, R of. So yeah, Roots of Fight. Yeah, they make really good stuff. This is my first Roots of Fight hoodie. So you know what I'm gonna do now, of course. I'll stop the video and I'll do an unwrapping now of my Bret Hart hoodie. So I'll see you in the next video. Again, subscribe to my channel, leave your comments, questions, whatever you have. I look forward to reading them and replying. So I'll see you in the next video.